This is a tutorial on how to use the Drive CST app. You'll now be using this app to run all your routes during the school year. Mission: Collaborative Student Transportation aims to create a seamless, transparent, and eco-friendly transportation experience that prioritizes safety, optimizes efficiency, and fosters trust within communities. To download the Drive CST app, you'll need to go in the Google Play Store for Android and in the App Store for iPhone. Once you search Drive CST, you should see an app with the blue and red dots. Install it, open it, and you'll be directed to this screen. Once you press the Sign In button, you will see the option to put in your email and password. If it's your first time, click on Forgot Password, and you will be sent a link on the email you enter. Go to your email, click on the link, and reset your password or create a password. Then you may return on the app to sign in. Now the installation process is complete. So next we'll walk you through what it looks like to drive the route. This is the route overview for what you will drive for the day. You'll see multiple routes, so you will select the route according to your route copy. You may search for your particular route. Once you click on your particular route, it will show you the pickup times and the students on the route. You'll notice on the top right corner, there's a start button. Click Start to begin driving the route. You'll need to enable permission for location to use the Drive CST app properly. To do that, when you see this pop up, press while using app. On iPhone, you may need to go into Settings, scroll all the way down to Apps, then search for Drive CST, then click on Location and press while using the app. You'll also need to allow Drive CST to send you notifications. This keeps the app alive while in the background. Once you arrive at the student's address and the student is in your vehicle, you'll need to click Picked Up. Once you press the button, it's going to show up as green to indicate that it has been clicked. If the student has not been picked up and is a no-show, you click on No-Show. If you do not press No-Show or Pick Up, it'll give you an error message. So you must make sure a selection was made for each student. So you have to select before leaving the stop to proceed. Once you drop off the students, check each student has been dropped off successfully and make sure students marked no-show cannot be dropped off. Otherwise, you click drop off for every other student. If you do not press drop off and try to complete the routes, it'll give you an error message. All students picked up need to be dropped off. Select close and correct the error by pressing on dropped off. To access previous stop, use the previous button to edit students on previous stop. This will not change the time and place if the previous stop was reported as complete. To complete the route, select Complete at Last Stop. Reminder, check to ensure no students are still on the vehicle. After you complete your route, select Next Route. Choose Next Assigned Route. If you can't find in the New tab, check the Transfer tab for routes that have already been started. So when routes have already been started, they automatically move in the Transfer tab. Choose your preferred language in the Settings aisle. There's many options, including Afan Oromo and Amharic, so you choose your preferred language